Finally a fish. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Right now is February and we have an extreme cold warning, and I'm going ice fishing. And today I'm going to go to Frenchman Bay. I've never been there before. I'm going to ice fish there, and I think the species there's some, sorry about that, there's some bass, there's some pike, whole variety of species there, judging by the YouTube videos. So I'm going to take a crack at it myself. Last time out, last video that I put out, I went to Lake Scugog and I managed to catch quite a few perch, and I was surprised by the size of a couple of them. A couple of them were actually jumbos, a foot long or so, and then steamed them up. And if you want to check out that video, I'm going to link it down below. And I also went out for another outing after that in a local small lake. Ice fished there for a couple hours, used my ice shelter for the very first time. I was able to catch a perch on a vertical jigging wrap, and also I was able to catch a bullhead, my first catch off my ice shelter. So here's a sample of that footage. Oh, felt a nibble. Oh, there is something. Snagged a perch. This lake is filled with perch, isn't it? Oh, sorry, perch. So far it's been the year of the perch. Got a fish. And this is the first of the year. Brown bullhead. Biggest bullhead I've ever caught out of here. Okay. You're not that handsome. There's a look at the bullhead. That's what's been nipping at my bait. Okay, let's send this little guy back. There he goes. First fish in my ice shelter is a bullhead. Okay, I arrived and gonna get on the ice and try to do some fishing out in Frenchman Bay. Okay, ice shelter is set up. I'm gonna get fishing. I'm setting up the deepest part of the bay, I believe. We'll see. So I set up my ice shelter. And I'm gonna start fishing. I'm putting down a vertical jigging wrap to call the fish in and a high hook minnow. I'm at the deepest part of the bay, thinking that maybe the fish want to be deep this time of the year, where the water is warmer. Okay, we're gonna put that theory to the test. There's at least 2 other anglers that are just making their way in here. There they are. It is a busy spot, but honestly, I've never been here before. I don't know what to expect. Felt the tap, but missed. It's been really quiet. Just 2 nibbles so far. Marking some fish there. Got worm on this one. Got minnow on that one. Yeah, still nothing, man. Man, it's been real quiet. It's been super quiet. Marking a fish, but just not interested. Dang. Come on. Don't go, don't go. Come on, he's right there. Right on the bottom. It's close to the minnow right now, which is my right hand. That's my worm. He came up twice, or she. 3rd time, coming up a 3rd time. You gonna hit? Hit it. Still no. Finally a fish. All right, got a catfish. This is a pretty big one, my biggest catfish. It's 11 inches long. This might beat it. First fish of the day. Okay, settle down, settle down. Oh boy. Coming in at 1 foot long. This is my biggest catfish ever. Beauty. One more look at this catfish. The biggest I ever caught. Release it now. There it goes. So today I came to Frenchman Bay to do some ice fishing in extreme cold alert situation. And the bite was pretty slow. 3 bites to show for all day, and only managed to catch 1 fish. But that fish was a personal best catfish slash bullhead. I'm not quite sure what species that was. So that was a positive. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next time, I hope to bring you a video with more catches. In the meantime, take it easy, and I'll see you on the next one.